Morning everyone. Today's topic is management of trees. It is in continuation of previous lecture. Management aspect is very important aspect to get good and healthy growth of the trees. The following ornamental tree management programs that are needed to do in the garden are fertilization, proper watering, staking, pruning, mulching, weed prevention and insect pest management supports good and healthy growth of ornamental trees. First one is fertilization. It is very important uh, aspect. In this case, the need of the plants in terms of nutrient is fulfilled. You should provide your plants the required appropriate fertilizers for strong growth. There are a variety of fertilizers in the market for you to choose from. You shall want to not only consider cost but also the nutrient content in relation to the needs of the plants you are fertilizing. Watering, it is again an important aspect. Take the same watering approach with most ornamentals as you would with your lawn. Water deeply, giving a good soaking weekly rather than shallow. Infrequent watering in the morning will also help avoid evaporation so the water can penetrate the roots. Be cautious that some ornamentals are very drought tolerant and overwatering can be a concern. The amount of water will depend on the type of plant and the soil it's planted in. Look to your plants for signs of dehydration. Any wilting or yellowing is a good indication your ornamentals need water. Stabilizing, use stakes to support taller plants and protect them from severe summer thunderstorms that bring heavy winds. Without staking, tall annuals and perennials like lilies can droop to the soil after a heavy rain. Pruning, maintain the shape of your ornamental plants and remove dead or diseased branches by pruning. Most plants can benefit from some summer thinning to help increase air circulation and encourage new growth. Mulching, it is again an important aspect. If you have not freshened up your beds with a new layer of mulch in the past year, now is the time. Plants really benefit from the root insulation that mulch provides in the extreme summer heat. Mulch will also discourage weed growth and retain moisture in the soil for the plants. So mulching is very beneficial in the soils. It protects soil microbes as well as it also improves the water holding capacity of the soils and also protects from soil erosion, as well as it also conserves moisture in the soils, which is finally available to the plants. Weed prevention, keeping weeds out is another part of effectively caring for your ornamentals. Weeds can compete with plants for water and nutrients in the soil. So as and when weeds should be appear in and around the plants or trees, you should remove it immediately. Mulching is one approach towards weed prevention, but landscape fabric, ornamental bed treatments and hand pulling weeds are other effective options from stopping weeds from growing out of your ornamental beds. Disease and pest control, it is again an important aspect. If you observe certain infections on your plants or certain attacks of insect pests on your trees, you should identify them and apply the respective control procedures to minimize the population as well as eliminate the disease from the trees. When implementing the above measures as part of your ornamental care regime, you will encourage healthy plants to grow and diminish the chance of damage from pests or diseases, but it's not a zero chance. Be alert to signs of damage like discoloration or holes in the foliage. If you see any disease symptoms or insect over the plant, identify these and apply respective control procedures. So these are the managerial aspect generally adopted in the garden for getting good growth as well as beautiful or handsome foliage in the garden. Thank you.